Hello, KeyDigital YouTube fans. This is Dan and Mike from KeyDigital, and we're here wrapping up the CEDIA show in Dallas, Texas. Mike, was it a good show?
Excellent show. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Love it.
So, Mike, I wanted to ask you. I got a lot of customers just blown away with Enterprise AV. They just could not get over the picture quality, the convenience, the setup of the product, but more importantly, they were just really amazed that we're actually advertising our compression and we're talking about compression. So maybe you can talk a little bit to our YouTube fans, about why Enterprise AV is so good when it comes to the compression.
Well, we took a long jump in this. We entered this field this year. We started to sell HDMI over IP products like TX, like IP120 TX, IP120 RX, units that can be attached to enterprise switcher, network switcher on both ends, and you can create a large, very large matrix system this way, HDMI over IP. But in this field, this kind of industry always used uncompressed, sometimes an industry called baseband or uncompressed video. So HDMI, HD-Base-T, SDI, all of these formats, even analog before that, they all uncompressed. So the people are actually spoiled by very high picture quality of uncompressed video. But in order for you to create a reliable network IP-based system, you have to use compression. And there are various levels of compression these days. You can compress by a little bit, like by a factor of 2, 3, 4. You can compress by a factor of 10, or you can compress by a factor of 100, which is throwing away, statistically speaking, 90% of data. So the key is the more compression you can do, the easier and the more cost-effective is the resultant switcher, a resultant IP system. So we took a very sort of long jump, and we worked on including a very high compression system called H.264. It's one of the latest compression systems developed probably 5-6 years ago. That's primarily used today for streaming and broadcasting all the video content you see today on satellite, on cable, through streaming through the internet. We use that compression to create HDMI over IP system for the Pro AV customer. So we're encoding and decoding using H.264, which compresses the video down to 20 megabits per second, which is very low bitrate. And this way allows you to use a very conventional connectivity and switching systems in order to transport it. And we worked very hard on this, almost 1 year, perfecting special video image quality. I think we achieved an amazing result. We're showing this everywhere here as well. This picture is produced by a computer, which is the most challenging thing for any compression system, because computer images are high resolution, very edge, very detail oriented. And the system delivers this in pristine quality. Of course, theoretically speaking, some information is taken away, but the way the compression system works, especially the most advanced one, it's so well married to human eye perception that it's really very hard for humans to distinguish between, let's say, compressed and uncompressed images. And that is the best advance we know. Of course, it has its space, it has its niche. The uncompressed or baseband system has its own niche. They don't really yet compete, but I think that compressed IP enterprise system will definitely be a way of the future for large systems when you have to build very large matrices, commercial-based matrices, IP controlled matter. I think that is definitely lends itself very nicely into this kind of environment.
Excellent. All right, everybody. Well, you heard it here. You heard it right from the boss. H.264 Enterprise AV. Not only is it a really flexible system, but a quality system. So check out more on KeyDigital.com. Like this video, share this video, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.